I'm back with another video I'm very excited to do. So I started incorporating these, they're called Chladni patterns, named after Ernest Chladni in the 1700s, who was one of the first scientists to embark in studying the science of bioenergetic geometry, also known as sacred geometry, bioenergetic geometry, biogeometry. Biogeometry is not a new science. This has been studied for centuries and used centuries before it was coined with that term. So Ernest Chladni is known as the father of acoustics, and what he did is started mapping out the patterns that certain sound frequencies make. So we're all taught that geometry is math. Now, while it has mathematical applications, geometry is not math. Geometry is frequency. It is the picture form of sound. Okay, I'm sure y'all remember the days of algebra, those happy days. Well, so to kind of give you an idea, the equation A times B equals C times D. That same properties and rules of that algebraic equation apply here. So you have sound on the left side, which is A times B. And then you have the pattern, the geometric shape that the sound makes on the right side of the equation, C times D. So what is equal on A times B is also same on the left side, equal in measure, C times D. Thus, the sound that equals the pattern it makes each has the same frequency and the properties that come with that frequency. Okay, so you can see highlighted around this meditative card that I have made. This is the frequency of, I believe it's 852, and you can see it is very distinct and highlighted, and it is also moving around the card. It was so impressive when I saw this, I just said I have to make a video. So I started incorporating this because this is bioenergetic geometry, otherwise known as biogeometry, sacred geometry. These sciences, different names, same thing, same uses, same application. So thus, if you listened to the frequency 852, the same healing effects produced by listening to that frequency on your energetic field, the geometric shape and pattern has that same effect as well. Oh my gosh, that is just so amazing. Look at it move up at the top. It's just so impressive. For those of you who have seen my previous videos, my camera lens is not dirty. You can tell that this is the energetic field versus just a plain reflection off of the item, because it is structured and it's almost like it has like a permeable membrane around it, I guess would be a good description to kind of equate it to. A reflection off of an item is random and kind of in rays. It's unstructured, okay? And the reason the energetic field is highlighted is because the increased energy from the pattern that, or bioenergetic geometric shape that is on the piece that I make, it makes the energy field around the item thicker. And what happens when the light reflects off of the item now, it has to travel through the energy field as it would just a normal item, and as it does, it gets caught and held in the density of the increased energetic pattern or I'm sorry, energetic field that is now being created with that pattern or that bioenergetic signature added to the item. So the light gets caught in the net of the density of the increased energetic field that has been created by applying the bioenergetic pattern to the piece. So it slows how fast the light can travel through the energetic field. So it's caught and it's bouncing around in there trying to travel through the energetic field, the light is, and it's slowed, which illuminates the color or properties of the piece that it's on, and it also makes it structured and kind of highlighted there. So I just thought this was amazing, and I wanted to share it with you. If you have any questions, comments, message me below, and hope you had a good Thanksgiving and happy holidays to everyone, and many blessings. Love y'all.